Okay, today we are going to start lecture number 10. So, in this lecture, we will discuss one famous and one latest procedure of Musharka, one latest form of Musharka that is used to use for home financing. So, this is also called diminishing partnership. It is also called home financing Musharka. But the common thing is the partnership. Common thing is the partnership. So that is why we say this is a type of Musharka, form of Musharka, the procedure of Musharka. Okay. So we cannot implement the term Musharka that was available in the past. So this term is flexible. Islam does not implement the specific term. Islam just presents the rules, gives the rules, laws of Sharia laws for Musharka. So these rules, these laws include zero interest rate, and negation of unlawful products. So any kind of Musharka which follows Sharia laws that is permitted in Islamic finance, in Islamic economy. So this is another term, diminishing partnership, home financing Musharka. Home financing Musharka is a diminishing partnership. This is a very latest form of Musharka. So in this definition, we will try to understand the procedure of home financing Musharka. In this type of Musharka, in this type of Musharka, in home financing Musharka, the customer forms a partnership with financial institutions. Means like Mariam forms a partnership with Bank of Punjab to purchase a home. To purchase a home. Again, in home financing Musharka, that Mariam forms a partnership with Bank of Punjab to purchase a home. Okay, this is done. When they form a partnership, this is a kind of Musharka. Now the next step. Second step, partnership is completed. The second step. Before the second step, we will explain the first step. Now, for example, they purchased one home. Its price is 1,50,000 rupees. Bank of Punjab and Mariam agreed to buy this home with 80 to 20% ratio. 80% shares are held by bank. 20% share of the home is held by the Mariam. Mariam paid 30,000 and bank paid 1,20,000 rupees to the owner. They purchased the home. Now, Mariam owns 20% shares of the home and the Bank of Punjab owns 80% share of the home. पार्टनरशिप कंप्लीट होगी. मरियम का शेयर 80% 20% इस घर में और बैंक का शेयर कितना है 80%. अब मरियम के पास इतने पैसे नहीं थे कि वो घर खुद से बाय कर सके, इसलिए अब बैंक उसको फाइनेंस करेगा. ओके, पार्टनरशिप के लिए मरियम को एग्रीमेंट मरियम के साथ बैंक का ये हुआ कि वो कुछ ना कुछ शेयर उसके बाय करे. बिल्कुल 0 0 शेयर नहीं होना चाहिए, 10% शेयर हो। बैंक समटाइम ये ऑफर करता है कि मिनिमम शेयर जितने होने चाहिए 20%, मिनिमम 20% शेयर जो है वो कस्टमर के होने चाहिए, लाइक 30% होने चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन, वो पार्टनर फॉर्म्स अ पार्टनर। नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, now the Bank of Punjab, the financial institutions, rents out its part of the property to the client. Now Bank of Punjab rents out 80% share of the property to the Mariam and receive rent as compensation. अब बैंक क्या करता है, 80% शेयर मरियम को रेंट पे दे देता है और उससे रेंट चार्ज करता है शेयर के मुताबिक। This rent will be based on mutually agreed fair market value. What is the fair value? What is the value of rent in the market? For example, उस जैसे घर का रेंट मार्केट में 1000 रुपीज चार्ज किया जाता है, लेट्स सी। नाउ मरियम विल पे 800 rupees as rent to the Bank of Punjab. Reason, अब 20% फिर उसके अपने हैं, वो 20% का तो रेंट नहीं पे करेगी क्योंकि 20% की वो खुद ऑनर है, 80% का वो रेंट पे करेगी क्योंकि वो उसकी ऑनर नहीं। 800 will be considered as rent, 20% will not be rent. He will not pay rent for 20% here, only 800. Okay, now the next step is, this is confirmed, 1000 rent, Mariam will pay 800 rupees as rent against the compensation, compensating to the Bank of Punjab. Bank of Punjab का उसको शेयर मिल गया। The next step is, Bank of Punjab and Mariam both agreed upon a fixed amount of payment, that is 1147 rupees each month will be paid by the Mariam. That is a fixed payment. That is mutually agreed amount, right? Now each month Mariam will pay 1147 rupees. That is done by within 1147 rupees, the rented amount will be deducted and the remaining amount will be deposited in favor of bank. अब 1147 रुपीज फिक्स अमाउंट मरियम ने पे कर दी है, ईच मंथ 1147 रुपीज में पे करना है, ठीक हो गया। So out of this amount 800 rupees will be go to the rent, will be in the pocket of Bank of Punjab as rent. 800 rent चला गया, remaining amount is 347 rupees. So this one is extra payment. This one is extra payment. This is not rent. This is extra payment. This extra payment will goes to the pocket of bank. So this extra payment will increase the ownership of Mariam. This extra payment will increase the ownership of Mariam and decrease the ownership of Bank of Punjab, because it is paid to the Bank of Punjab by Mariam. Now next step, any amount paid above the rental value, any amount that is 347 rupees paid above the rental value 800 rupees increases the customer share, increases the Mariam share in the home and reduces the bank share. Okay. Now I am going to the picture table. This table is so easy. When we have done the definition with the respect to example. This example we have done. So this is example of payment schedule for home financing musharka. Very easy. Here in the first column, see in the first column is the months, 180 months, from first to 180 months. That is 15 years. 15 years. In 15 years, Mariam will pay. Mariam will make payment to the bank. In the second column, rental amount in each month. In the next column, extra payment. In the next column, total fixed payment. You can see here 1147 till the second last month. Okay, done. Next, bank ownership is 120,000 rupees. Now, 800 in the first month out of 1147 rupees, 800 is deducted for rent and 347 remaining payment will increase the Mariam share. This extra payment will reduce bank share, that is here. Now, deduct 347 rupees from 1,20,000 rupees. Remaining payment is 1,19,653 rupees. This is the bank share, 1,19,653 rupees is the bank share. Now, change this share in percentage. 1,19,653 divided by 1,50,000 multiply 100. So now the bank share is 79.8%. The bank share is here. 79.8%. Now bank share. Again, the second step will be processed. Again, total fixed payment but the same 1,147. Now, the matter of rent. How much rent will be paid? According to share 79.8%. 17. The total rent is 1,000. Out of 1,000, how much rent will be paid to the bank? 1,000 multiply 79.8. 79.8 because this is the bank share. Bank will be paid share of rent according to its share in the property. बैंक को इतना शेयर पे किया जाएगा जितना बैंक का प्रॉपर्टी में शेयर है, वो कितना है 79.8%। और कितनी अमाउंट बनेगी रेंट में 79.8 मल्टीप्लाई 1000 दैट इज 798 रुपीज। 798 rupees as rent. The remaining payment is 349 rupees. This extra payment is made by the Mariam. Deduct this amount from latest bank ownership, 349 rupees. Deduct 349 rupees from 1,19,653 rupees. Okay, 349 rupees were deducted from bank current latest year 1,19,653. The remaining bank ownership 1,19,304 rupees. The remaining bank ownership. So how much in percentage? 1,19,304 divided by total amount 1,50,000 multiply 100. That is something like that will be 70. For example, I will take just assume possibly 777 point something. I am sure 77 point something bank share. Now, how much will be rent according to that rent? According to that, so the procedure will continue. The procedure will continue until 179th month here. Please see here. In 179 months, in 179 months, bank ownership is the previous month is here. 2,197 bank ownership. That is how much percentage? That is 0.015%. That is 0.015%. That is 0.015% bank ownership. 1,000 rent. How much rent will go to the bank? Only 15 rupees. Fixed payment 1147 rupees. Deduct rent 15 rupees. Remaining amount 1132 rupees. This amount will be deducted from the bank ownership. The remaining amount is 1,065 rupees. The next step is very important. That is very critical and very thoughtful, very important. Now, in the next month, in the last month, the fixed payment will be 1147. No, because the customer, the Mariam can make complete payment to the bank with less total fixed payment. अब बैंक का कितना शेयर है? करंट पेमेंट कितनी बैंक के पास करंट बैंक का शेयर कितना है? 1065 रुपीज. ये कितने परसेंट बनता है? ये 0.007% बनता है. किसका? 1,50,000 का. 1,065 divided by 1,50,000 multiply 100, it will be 0.007%. 0.007% रेंट कितना होगा? 1,000 में से 1,000 multiply 0.007, only 7 rupees will be rent. Okay. Now, Mariam will pay, fixed payment will be changed in the last month, that will be 1,072 rupees. Okay, 7 rupee rent. Remaining payment 10,065 rupees. 65 rupees. 1,000 extra payment will go to the Bank of Punjab, that is equal to the current ownership. Extra payment equal to the current ownership. Now, the remaining ownership of Bank of Punjab is 0. Now, when the bank ownership is 0, then the ownership is transferred from Bank of Punjab to the Mariam. So, in this way, with the passage of time, as Mariam share increases and Bank of Punjab share decreases, with the passage of time, ownership is transferred from Bank of Punjab to the Mariam. This is the Musharka. We call it diminishing home financing Musharka because customer Mariam ownership is decreasing, because bank ownership is decreasing. So due to decreasing ownership of bank, we call it diminishing home financing Musharka, because here financial is bank, so that is why we take diminishing share of bank and we say diminishing home financing Musharka. That is, we have done. No need to explain further. You can read by self and make factors, the whole diagram. Hopefully you can do by self easily. No, the next one is very important thing, criticism on Musharka. That is easy, no problem. You can do easily this one. Two major criticism are here, which are made by the Western economists. First one is the Western economists say that this this Musharka kind of this Musharka financing, just simple Musharka financing, is an old instrument of financing. Musharka financing is an old instrument of financing. It cannot be implemented, cannot be applied in the modern world. ये old है, इसको हम करंट में implement नहीं कर सकते. Now, Islamic economists replied that this criticism is unjustified because Islam did not specify a special form or procedure of musharaka. Just not only one form of musharaka that was in the past, that was available in the past, is acceptable. All forms of musharaka are acceptable, which are according to Sharia. Rather, has set some broad principles. Islam set Islam has set some broad principles that can accommodate various forms and procedures of musharaka, like home financing musharaka. इस्लाम ने प्रिंसिपल सेट कर दिए हैं, वो प्रिंसिपल बहुत सारी मुशारका की टाइप को अकोमोडेट कर सकते हैं. So any new form or procedure of musharaka that make it suitable for modern financial needs cannot be rejected. So any new form of musharaka cannot be rejected because of the fact that it has no precedent in the past. Just किसी भी मुशारका की टाइप को हम इसलिए रिजेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि पास्ट में इसका कोई इसकी एग्जाम्पल गिवन नहीं है. In fact, every form of musharaka is acceptable as long as it is according to the principles of Sharia, laws of Sharia. So it is not necessary there musharaka will be implemented only in its traditional form. It will be implemented in all forms which are according to Sharia, which are not against Sharia. So this is the first criticism made by the Western economists and their reply by the Muslim economists. Another criticism against old traditional home finance, traditional musharaka financing is based upon the issue of profit. Another criticism is based upon the confirmed profit, is based on the profit that is granted by the banks, by the financial institutions. They said that musharaka is although they said that although musharaka is considered as the most authentic form of Islamic financing, but the risk associated with sharing losses means that it is not popular as others. तो कहते हैं कि माना कि ये बहुत अथेंटिक इस्लामिक फाइनेंस का सोर्स है, बहुत अथेंटिक इस्लामिक फाइनेंस सोर्स ऑफ फाइनेंस है, लेकिन जो इसके साथ रिस्क अटैच है, वो रिस्क क्या है बेटा? यहाँ पे शेयरिंग लॉसेस. रिस्क बेसिकली क्या होता है? बोथ चांसेस ऑफ हैपनिंग टू द profits and losses. So here the risk associated with sharing losses means अगर आप लॉसेस की बात करेंगे मुशारका में तो ये इतना पॉपुलर नहीं होगा. ओके Okay. Do you have any problem? I'm sure it's okay. Everything is okay. Okay, again, I'm going to do here. Okay, the second criticism is the confirmed profit. If we will not accept confirmed profit, the brief criticism is that the modern economists, the Western economists said that if we will not accept the confirmed profits from the banks in case of musharaka financing, then it will not be popular mode of finance. Now, Answer is very simple. The answer is very simple. They said that Islamic economy said that some financial institutions give granted profit in case of musharka to make it appealing. To make it appealing, they give granted profit to the customers to make it appealing. But in this way, these banks are doing against the laws of Islamic finance. These laws links rewards to risk, not link rewards to the confirmed profit. Risk is both is here, profit or loss. If profits are granted, then risk is eliminated. Very important बेटा यहाँ पे बात. यहाँ पे इस्लामिक कानून ये कहते हैं कि अगर बैंक्स इसको पॉपुलर बनाते हुए कंफर्म प्रॉफिट की गारंटी देते हैं, देन वो इस्लामिक फाइनेंस लॉस के अगेंस्ट वर्क कर रहे हैं, कंट्राडिक्ट कर रहे हैं. जबकि इस्लामिक लॉस किन पे बिलीव करता है? इस्लामिक लॉस लिंक एनी इन्वेस्टमेंट टू द रिस्क. किसी भी किस्म की फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट होगी उसमें रिस्क लाई करेगा. अगर रिस्क नहीं होगा वो हराम होगी, वो हलाल नहीं होगी. इसलिए अगर प्रॉफिट गारंटेड होगा देन रिस्क खत्म हो जाएगा. जब रिस्क नहीं होगा इट लाइक्स interest based investment. So these actions possibly may help banks to grow in the short run. Short run में तो possible है कि इस्लामिक बैंक बहुत ग्रो करें कि कंफर्म प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है, लेकिन लॉन्ग रन में क्या होगा? लॉन्ग रन में इसकी कास्ट क्या होगी? लॉन्ग रन में इसकी कास्ट ये होगी एक्चुअल इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोजेक्ट नहीं होगी. लॉन्ग रन कास्ट क्या करेगी? करंट बेनिफिट्स को खत्म कर देगी. लॉन्ग रन कास्ट क्या होगी? वो करंट बेनिफिट को खत्म कर देगी. बेनिफिट बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाएंगे. इसलिए हम ये भी मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं. क्यों? आज बैंक के पास एक्चुअल इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, जस्ट फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट है. प्रोजेक्ट्स लाई नहीं करते, जस्ट कंफर्म प्रॉफिट मिलता है, मनी सर्कुलेट हो रही है, इसके अलावा एक्चुअल इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है. नो, दिस इज आवर क्लोजिंग टाइम, सो वी विल डिस्कस remaining part of this lecture in the next class. So I'm going to close.